This is Birdseye. I'm relaying a message from Earth Command now.
Okay, send it through.
Commander Andropov, we've detected a loss of power on Generator 3. We need you to take a look and report back.
Yes, we are seeing same thing. Already on my way to check it out.
Roger that.
Oh, Rover, you are joining me. Always something breaking here on Moon. Okay, opening control module now.
Let us know what you're seeing.
My god, it's full of stars.
Andropov, repeat last. What is your status?
Just kidding. Mostly full of rust. We're going to need to replace entire manifold.
Well, good news, Commander. We've got one coming up on the next shuttle. Should be launching in about an hour.
No worries. In meantime, I've got Rover to keep me company. Not looking so good, eh, Rover?
Hang tight for now and... oh my god!
Oh, боже мой! Rover, I think we may be waiting here a while.